My name is Anthony Devenish from MPS Furniture. This is a product video on the Promethean interactive panel. Whilst we sell the full range of interactive panels, we fully believe and love to sell and install the Promethean interactive panel. They are the market leaders and they offer exceptional value for money, and this video is pulled together to show you the many benefits it can offer for your learning centres.
My name's Oliver, I'm from Promethean. I worked with this school with one of our gold standard partners, MPS. The panel has a lot of features, the main ones being the ability to interact with the screen itself, interact with your own content that you've already got, as well as seeking out and downloading new content for yourself. The panel has quite an advanced touch recognition system, which means that when you're working on it, it will recognise the difference between if you are moving something with your finger, or if you are writing on it with the pen, or if you use the back of your hand, you can actually rub stuff out. So it just saves you from switching between tools. So these panels are very easy to use. We try to make them so that as soon as they are in a classroom, a teacher can start using them. Supply teachers can walk in and use them. So for the teachers, it's a much easier experience than what they might be used to in the past. They don't have to deal with calibration. Connections are very easy and it'll always just work when you plug it in. Then as far as the student side of it, the teachers can find a lot more content. They can pull up content that was only previously locked to stuff like iPads and tablets, and it's much easier to interact with and have students come up and interact with as well. Our panels are set apart because Promethean has always worked in the school environment. We are not selling panels that are based on a business panel that we just put some education software on. Everything that is on that panel has been designed by teachers and for teachers. We offer demonstrations for any schools who like to see them. We can put a panel in the school if they want to borrow it for a week or two as well. Once panels are installed and the teachers might need some additional training, that can be arranged through MPS, who will get in touch with us. They will facilitate that, and we can offer after school sessions, CPD days, online training, and then we've got a wealth of resources on the panel itself as well to guide teachers through. We also have online training on YouTube. We have online CPD courses for a more structured approach, but that can be facilitated. Once you've got your panels in, we can sort that out for you. With every panel, you do get 2 copies of Active Inspire as well. A lot of teachers are already familiar with it, but it is teaching software similar to PowerPoint or anything like that, and we do offer CPD and training on that as well. And we have a wealth of resources from other teachers who have shared that you can just pick up and play with.